Hi, my name is jkaluza, and in this video I will show you two FM Orchestrator features I've been working on during this sprint. The first feature is about logging, and the second one is about authentication using client certificate. Let's start with logging. You can choose the backend for the logging using the log backend option in the configuration file of Orchestrator, as you see here. You can choose the console for logging, file, or journal, which is part of systemd daemon. Right now we are using console here, but if we would use file, we would have to define the log file which would be used for logging. This can be done using the log file option in the configuration file, which is set right now to orchestrator.log. And you can also specify the log level which will be used for logging. It can be either debug, info, war, or error. So as I said, we are using console for logging, so let's try to start Jika, which is part of the orchestrator. And as you can see, it logs in some nice format in the console. Right now we can try to use to show the second feature I've been working on, which is authentication using client certificate. So let's try to submit new build using the Fedora certificate, because that's the certificate we are using for the authentication. By default, this certificate is stored in your home directory /.fedora.cert. If we submit new build using our test script, we see that authentication succeeded, but we ended up with invalid module MD error, which is expected because we don't have any module MD which could be submitted as a build right now, but the authentication itself was working. We can easily test it by using fake client certificate, which I have stored here, and we see that it ended up with an error here. So with the fake client certificate, we are not able to submit a new build, which is expected, right? We can also try to submit new build without any certificate, which should also fail, and we see that it failed with nice error message: you must use Fedora certificate when submitting new build. As I said, currently we are using Fedora certificate, which has to be signed by Fedora certification authority, and to submit new build you also have to be in the packager group in Fedora user database. So I think that's all for now, and thanks for watching.